Hello YouTubers. Actually it's a couple days later. I'm back down here at the sawmill, and I'm going to, in my last video I tried to start it. I put the new pump on and still nothing. I can't get, I'm not pumping any gas at all. I'm not, there's no suction at all. I'm suspecting the vacuum line might be, there was a big mouse nest in there, and I think maybe the vacuum line was chewed through. So somehow I got to get to that, and I don't know how. All I can do is just start tearing things apart and hope for the best. So I'm going to get at it here. So and by the way, it's a beautiful day, sunny. It's supposed to rain today. It's supposed to be 90% chance and not a cloud in the sky. So yeah, well, par for the course. Just keep being wrong and keep your job. I love it. But anyway, it's not going to affect me either way. But anyway, I'll bring you along when I start tearing things apart. I won't show you everything, but if I get into something interesting, I'll bring you along. So I'll be back. Okay, if I remember right, it's only been a couple days, but hard for me to remember much of anything. But I need a 3/8 and a 7, I think a 7/16 socket, and I don't have them in here. So already I'm stalled out. So I'll be back. Okay, what I need is a 7. I can't get this right for some reason. I need a 3/8 socket, a wrench, and a 1/2 inch. That's just to get the stupid pin off of here. I don't want to take that one off, so I don't have to. Okay, the bigger bumps go in the top up here, a ½ inch. They're not a ½ inch bolt, but it takes a ½ inch wrench. Now that's not good, I lost that one. Always one. Always. Damn. I think these might be 9/16. Not a ½ inch. All right. All right. Let's try this fitting. Yes. Got it. All right, now right. I don't know. Try to get in there. I don't know if this would just pop off or not. I don't know. I'll be back. Okay. I know you're not going to be able to see anything here. I can barely see anything. But this hose, I can see it. Going back, I've got some longer needle nose. Hopefully I can get a hold of the clamp. I'll clamp it and pull it off. I don't know if I can. I didn't show all of it, but I got it back together. I put a new vacuum hose on it. I couldn't find anything wrong with the vacuum hose that was on there. Didn't leak, didn't have any holes in it or anything, so, but I put a new hose on anyway. And I'm going to crank it over. I mean, it's not going to start. I mean, I don't know why it would. Nothing's changed. No, nothing. No gas. It's not getting gas. I don't know.